Hello guys, so I'm back with another nail tutorial. So today is going to be a pretty easy one and cute and pretty. So the colors I'm going to be using is this LA Colors, and it's pink. And we're going to be using this white one from America Gel, and we're going to use this Dry Instantly top coat, and this white paper, and this dotting tool, which we're going to use the big one, and of course we're going to be using nail dryer. So what you want to do is we're going to paint our nails this color. So they look something like this, and they look kind of like weird because we're gonna add another top of this color when it dries. Okay, once these are dry, we're gonna grab this piece of paper, and we're gonna get our white, and we're just going to pour white in there like this. And you have your little piece of paper. I'm gonna put this in the side so you guys can see that. So now these are dry. We're gonna be using the big one, big dotting tool. We're gonna dip our dotting tool in the white, that, and we're gonna be making dots on the ring finger. Look something like this right here, and we're gonna let these dry. So it has to look something like this. Isn't that cute? And this is so cute. So we're gonna let these dry. Okay, so once these are dry, we're gonna go ahead and add our top coat so we can seal in our design. This is what it looks like. Super easy and simple to do, not that hard. And I really hope you guys enjoy this nail tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.